Bonjour and welcome back. Thanks a lot for the response from your part. In one of my previous videos, I have already talked about the pronunciations in French. If you have not seen it yet, please press on this I button. And if you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And to get the notifications of my videos, press this bell button. Today we are going to learn some sounds of vowel combinations. At first, some revisions. Can you pronounce these words? P-A-R-A-P-L-U-I-E. Yes, parapluie. U-S-I-N-E. Yes, Usine Factory. Parapluie means umbrella. Usine means factory. F-E-N-E accent circonflexe T-R-E. Fenêtre. Yes, fenêtre, which means window. R-I-V-I-E accent grave R-E. Yes, rivière. Rivière means river. Now, if you have some words like this, F-A-I-R-E, C-L-A-I-R-E, P-L-A-I accent circonflexe R-E, or C-H-A-I accent circonflexe N-E. All of these words are having A-I, A-I. So, A-I is pronounced as A. So, faire, clair, plaire, chaîne. Number 2. B-E-A-U-C-O-U-P. B-E-A-U. E-A-U. T-A-B-L-E-A-U. All of these words are having E-A-U. When you have E-A-U, you will pronounce O. So, beaucoup, a lot, beaucoup, beau, beautiful, or handsome. O, water, E-A-U, O, which means water. T-A-B-L-E-A-U, which means board, tableau. Number 3, P-O-U-B-E-L-L-E, poubelle. N-O-U-V-E-L-L-E, S-O-U-S, sous, V-O-U-S, vous, N-O-U-S, nous. Poubelle, which means dustbin. Nouvelle, which means news. Sous means under. This is a preposition. Vous, which means you. Nous, which means we. Okay, so whenever you are having O-U in a word, you will have U pronunciation. So, poubelle, nouvelle, sous, vous, and nous. Number 4, when you have O-E combination, for example, poids, P-O-E-D-S. Poids means weight. Oiseau, O-E-S-E-A-U. Oiseau means bird. This very word is having all the vowels in French. Soir, S-O-E-R. Soir means evening. Loire, L-O-E-R-E. Loire is the name of a French river. Loire. Parfois, P-A-R-F-O-I-S. Parfois means sometimes. Parfois. So whenever you are having O-E in any word, you will have wa sound. Oiseau, poids, soir, Loire, and parfois. Number 5. E-U. Bleu. B-L-E-U. Bleu means blue. Peu. P-E-U. Peu means bit. A little bit. Un petit peu. Heureux. Heureux means happy. Heureux, H-E-U-R-E-U-X. Heureux means happy. And heureuse is feminine for happy. Number 6. When you have the combinations like e-u or o-u, you have an open sound For example, peur, fear. P-E-U-R, peur. Sœur, sister. S-O-U-R, sœur. B-E-U-R-R-E, beurre means butter. Cœur, C-O-U-R, cœur means heart. Humeur, H-U-M-E-U-R, humeur means humor. And heure, heure means hour, H-E-U-R-E. Il est 9 heures. It's 9 o'clock. Number 7. When you have two vowels side by side and there are two L in between two vowels, you will not pronounce the L. The L will be silent. For example, travailler. T-R-A-V-A-I-L-L-E-R. Travailler means to work. Caillou. C-A-I-L-L-O-U. Caillou means pebble. Fille. F-E-L-L-E. Fille means daughter or girl. Fille. Gaspiller. G-A-S-P-I-L-L-E-R. Gaspiller means to waste. Gaspiller. Travailler. Caillou. Fille. Gaspiller. All these words are having two L and two vowels side by side. But there are exceptions to this rule. For example, mille, million, quel, and will. Oh, of course, tranquille. Now, whenever you have these very combinations in any word, you can pronounce them easily. Watch my videos, do dictionary work, and if you like my videos, press the thumbs up. À la prochaine. Till then, au revoir.